Well, I just took a bath in hot hydraulic oil. Had to pull a cylinder off the J model because it's leaking past the packing's pretty bad. And apparently when it's slick and oily and it slips out of your hands and the barrel hits the ground and the ram goes in, it'll spray hot oil all over your face and arms, and it wasn't too bad. Kind of just made me mad is all, but I've had worse happen to me. We're gonna head to town now, see if we can't get a local cylinder shop to rebuild it. We can maybe get it back this afternoon and get going again in the morning. We just put that tractor back in service, it's been sitting a while, so I was kind of expecting a few things to maybe show up like that, but that's okay. It's all part of it. We'll get it put back together again and go some more. But it's an older tractor, but it's a good tractor. I bought it from Clay. He made me a good deal on it and put me to work with it. That was my first one. And I'm still working it. It's a good, real good tractor. He takes excellent care of his stuff. I had no problem buying something from him. But things like this is just stuff that's gonna happen over time, you know. But anyhow, we're gonna go get this taken care of and get on back so we can make some more money. Well, we just got that cylinder dropped off at Silcox Hydraulics here in Bluntstown. He happens to be a good friend of mine and he does good work, and he said he'd probably have that thing back to me this afternoon. It is 2:11 right now, and like I say, he does my work, helps me out when I can't get to it myself, and he does a good job. He's a good person. But we're gonna run around and do a few more things in town since we're already here, and it'd be too far to go back to work right now after I got it back. Anyhow, we'll keep you updated on what's next. Well, it is 4:16. I just picked up my cylinder. They got me going back in the same day, and I put it right back to work tomorrow. That is the best part. He worked me in and got me in and out. So now, we're not dead in the water anymore. We can keep making some money. I'd like to say a big thank you to Silcox Hydraulics and my good friends. If y'all got anything you need done, if you're around Bluntstown, you can bring it to them if you want a good job done. Well, I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store now and buy about 2 more gallons of milk. I buy 8 or 10 gallons a week from the youngins. They love it. So, go by there and get that. Picked up Andy's belt today for it. Helped him out while I was in town. But other than that, I reckon I'm gonna go home and put a little fertilizer on the garden. And had a little rain last night, so I'm not gonna water it, but I did get a garden hose and a sprinkler while I was in town long enough to get out there to it. And we'll check on some progress on that before too long as well. At the end of the day, and Andy brought Trevor home for me, and Andy and Dash, they have a real good relationship, and
bond.
First time Andy saw him, he gave him a hug, and we'll see a special Andy Dash hug. Go ahead, Andy.
Would you like another hug, Dash?
Yes, I'd like another hug.
I heard him.
He said it.
He's learning to talk.
He said it.
All right. Come here, buddy.
It's hugging time.
Oh, there he is.
Oh.
Oh, what a good boy.
He look at him smiling. Look at him. He like
such
that.
a good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, you ready? You ready?
There he goes.
You ready? Go get him. Go get him.
I want y'all to look at that fine cylinder job right there. What do you think, Trevor? That was good, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
And like I said, it's done by Silcox Hydraulics. By the way, they do not sponsor us. They just do good work. All right, tell them bye, Trevor. Like and subscribe. Say it.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you, Trevor. Bye, Andy.